Welcome to my Learning Arduino and Electronics course. I'm Michael Bellinger, an electronics and programming educator with over 25 years experience, and for the last 6 years I've taught hundreds of people to use the Arduino microcontroller in 4-hour hands-on classes. During that time I've refined my course to offer the perfect blend of electronics fundamentals and Arduino programming instruction. My students range from families and individuals with little or no electronics or computer experience to tech-savvy people like web programmers, electrical engineers, and designers who want to learn more about what the Arduino microcontroller has to offer and to fill in the missing pieces of their respective skill sets. So whether you're a programmer with no electronics experience, an engineer who knows little about programming, or an absolute beginner, this course has been designed to give you a fast but thorough introduction to the Arduino microcontroller and electronics in general. This course relies heavily on video segments and uses a show-then-do approach. Each lesson is broken down into tiny bite-sized chunks of video, with breaks in between so you can try out each step as I show it to you. This teaching technique alternates instruction and practice and encourages you to learn by doing. And don't be surprised if we take some wrong turns along the way. Often the best lesson is figuring out why things didn't work the first time. Take a few moments to watch the introductory videos at the start of this course. They will give you an introduction to the Arduino microcontroller and electronics, and cover the basic supplies you will need to take the course.